Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of a disease known as bronchial asthma, which most people are well aware of. Now, bronchial asthma is a medical condition in which there are recurrent episodes of breathlessness and wheezing in the lungs, usually resulting from allergy to dust mite, pollen grain, dust and different foodstuffs. Now, bronchial asthma is a chronic condition which can seriously affect quality of life and result in frequent absence from school or workplace. The modern management of bronchial asthma involves the use of oral medications as well as different types of inhalers which serve to control and attack as well as gradually reduce the frequency of episodes. However, these treatments cannot completely eradicate the disease. Now, Ayurvedic herbal treatment for bronchial asthma is aimed at treating the pathology in the lungs as well as increasing the strength and resistance power of the respiratory mucosa so as to gradually reduce the symptoms as well as the frequency and severity of recurrent episodes. The large airways in the lungs are believed to have increased reactivity in people affected with bronchial asthma. This leads to chronic inflammation in the lungs with an increased amount of mucus production, which blocks the airways and further aggravates breathlessness. Now, this chronic inflammation leads to permanent damage of the respiratory mucosa within the lungs. So, Ayurvedic herbal treatment is given to treat the inflammation in the lungs and gradually reduce the amount of mucus production as well as the hyperreactivity of the airways. In addition, some herbal medicines which have a direct and specific action on the respiratory mucosa and which help in a complete healing of the mucosa along with strengthening so that it becomes immune to offending substances. So these medicines are used. Now this gradually leads to a reduction in the frequency and severity of the episodes of bronchial asthma. Once this stage is achieved, further treatment is given in order to improve the overall immune status of the individual as well as strengthen the lungs considerably so that this condition is significantly controlled and possibly cured. Now most individuals affected with bronchial asthma require regular treatments ranging from 6 to 9 months. Now, in this oral medication is very important. But in addition, as we said, this is because of hyperreactivity or allergy. So, to treat this allergy, some additional treatment modalities are also required. And these are in the form of Ayurvedic Panchakarma, which include Nasya, medicated nasal drops. And one very important treatment for bronchial asthma is induced emesis, which is known as Vaman. Now, this can be done as a curative or it also can be used as a preventive sort of treatment in a specific season time. So, this combination and in some patients even the medicated enema also help. Of course, local application and on the local application of oils on the chest and then followed by fermentation also helps to relieve the wheezing and tightness in the chest. So this combination of oral medication, local application, fermentation and Panchakarma treatment modalities, all these combine to bring about very good results in bronchial asthma, both as curative as well as for preventing further attacks. So this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for bronchial asthma. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.